Namaskar, hi, hello, welcome to ASK in Detail. And friends, you can see on the screen I am giving the perfect example of stop loss trading. And here you can see I am trading in currency forex, and these are my price at the price where I sold JPY and GBP, and now current prices are, you can see these prices are too low, so I am in big profit. And the current prices are 70.040 and GBP price is 94.0470. so I am just waiting. Here you can see, watch the MTM, total MTM, it's near to 3000, and continuously we are analyzing the prices. As you can see here, the prices are continuously changing. We have to update stop loss continuously now because the market price of the JPY and GBP is going downward, and in the same way I have to update, modify the stop loss also to gain big profit. We never know how much the downtrend, how the value goes down, so just modify the stop loss. Here you can see we are updating, modifying the stop loss of GBP. The previous was 94.10, now 94.0525. in the same way we will modify the stop loss of JPY too. Just watch the current price. Yes, JPY is also going downward. As you can see here, we will modify the stop loss from 70.10 to 70.05. We are updating by 5 points continuously because the price is going downward. As you can see here, the price of JPY is reached to 69.97 and the price of GBP is reached at 93.96. it is too downward. As you can see here, this is the price where we sold and this is the price where it is now, and here is the MTM. As you can see here, 3570. within a seconds the profit is raised by 500 rupees, and here you can see the difference is too high. Okay, just continuously analyze, and at some point we have to execute, we have to leave these positions, we have to exit from these positions. Now modify again because the market rates are going downward continuously. As you can see here, this is the market price 69.97. it is going downward, so we are updating the stop loss prices also. Here you can see $70.00 because we don't want to lose our profit. JPY is going downward, still the pending orders are pending. Here you can see the downtrend is still there. Okay, but GBP price is raising, so we have to exit at this position at market rate because it is again raising, so we have to execute at the same point. Yes, we have just make it market. Here you can see order type market and just click on submit button and it will execute at the market rate 94.0525. okay, so at this prior rate the order is executed. Here you can see GBP is sold, GBP is exit. We have exit from the GBP position. Okay, now remaining is only JPY. We'll just watch how it goes down. At some position we have to exit from this position also, and continuously watch the MTM. It goes down, it goes up, continuously ups and downs are going there. JBP is also not moving to down, so yes, you can see here we have already set the stop loss, so JPY is also executed at the price of 70.00. okay, so in this way stop loss trading perfectly works in these types of downtrends or uptrends. It depends on your. Now I have I have bought Bank Nifty also at the rate of 23. Here you can see 23 3, and I sold 3 lots, okay, -3 at the rate of 23, and I am just watching how it goes down. The current price is 18, okay, so it is going down. Just watch, we have another chance of earning. It is going down and down, as you can see. Okay, we got the price, we will execute at the market rate. So the current, yes, 8.4, it is executed. As you can see here, all the positions are in front of you, my friends. We got the profit of 871 in Bank Nifty within just a few seconds, and in currency, that is forex, JPY given near about 2000 rupees, GBP given near about 1260, and here some small profits also there, and there is some loss also, but we got another bonus by Bank Nifty 871, and total MTM, as you can see here, 4008. This is the profit, intraday profit, my friends. You can earn by trading. Just get the knowledge, just get the advisory. If you have any, you can open account at our agency also. We have Angel Broking Agency. In the description we will provide the link. By using that link, you can open account, demat account, for free of cost. We will provide you services, we will help you, we will guide you for earnings. So in this way you can earn, you can learn, and you can enjoy, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye. Thank you.